Judge Moore is the current judge executive of Boone County. In our state, that's like the CEO of the county, like a county exec that they have in Maryland. Gary was first elected in 1998. In his time as a public servant, he's achieved much success on behalf of the people of Boone County through the application of consistent conservative policies. Judge Moore was raised in Pendleton County, where his father served as sheriff. Years of watching his father enforce the law and serve the people of his county instilled in Gary a commitment to public service and to community involvement. In addition to serving as the Boone County judge, he is the current president of the National Association of Regional Councils and serves in the leadership of the National Association of Counties. Judge Moore is here today to discuss the possibility that EPA may lower the national ambient air quality standards for ground level ozone. The National Association of Manufacturers issued a report stating that this regulation could be the costliest in U.S. history. This regulation would have a serious detrimental effect on jobs and electricity prices, and it could have the most devastating impact yet on Kentucky coal jobs. For these reasons, I'm proud to support my colleague, Senator Thune, in his efforts to stop this regulation by co-sponsoring the Clean Air Strong Economies Act. Judge Moore is uniquely qualified to speak on these matters given his leadership roles in both the National Association of Regional Councils and the National Association of Counties. He has a broad perspective on how this proposed rule would affect not just Boone County, but counties across the nation, rural, suburban, and urban. He'll be able to give a real-world perspective on what this proposed rule will mean to folks across the country who have to deal with the consequences. I'm pleased that my friend Judge Moore is here today to share his timely thoughts on this rule. And Mr. Chairman, I really appreciate the opportunity to come by and say a few words about my friend of long standing. I'm sure he'll make a positive contribution to your session today. Thanks.
I'm sure he will.